When it comes to motorhomes, finding the perfect balance between space, comfort, maneuverability, and price feels almost impossible. But every so often, a model comes along that checks nearly all the boxes. Enter the 2025 Sun Living A60SP. This compact RV is part of Sun Living's renowned A-Series and manages to bring family-friendly practicality, smart design, and incredible value under one streamlined roof. Sun Living, a budget-focused brand under the well-respected European RV manufacturer Adria Mobil, is known for crafting compact campers that don't feel like compromises. With the A60SP, they've created a true standout that promises a luxurious travel experience for up to 5 people, without requiring a massive rig or a massive budget. The A60SP, where 25 marks it as a special edition for the 2025 model year, was one of the highlights at major RV shows across Europe. Sun Living used it as the centerpiece of their new philosophy concept, a fresh take on how freedom and philosophy intersect in modern RV design. And honestly, the concept works. This motorhome feels liberating, flexible, and smartly engineered. At just 5.99 meters long and 3.09 meters high, the A60SP is compact enough to handle like a large van. But inside, it opens up to reveal a layout that feels much larger than it looks. Thanks to clever space management and excellent ceiling height, you won't feel cramped even with a full family on board. Built on the Fiat Ducato chassis, known for reliability and strong performance, the A60SP comes with an 8-speed automatic gearbox and an available weight upgrade for added payload. It's agile, comfortable to drive, and robust enough for long journeys. Inside, sleeping arrangements are remarkably versatile. The rear fixed bed sits elevated above a cavernous garage space, with room for up to 4 bicycles and easy access for both inside and out. Overhead storage cubbies and large windows with integrated screens and blackout blinds give the rear bedroom a bright, airy feel. Above the cab is a drop-down alcove bed designed especially for kids. It has windows on 3 sides, offering ventilation and natural light, and it tucks neatly into the ceiling when not in use. That's 2 double beds already, and if needed, the mini dinette can convert into a 5th berth, ideal for occasional use or smaller family members. The bathroom layout is completely reimagined for 2025. Unlike previous models, it now features a fully enclosed space with a proper door, double drain shower tray, and even folding shower doors to separate the wet area. A fold-up sink, a cassette toilet, and a large overhead cabinet all maximize usability and storage. The kitchen area doesn't disappoint either. You get a 3-burner gas stove, a large sink with a cover, and an 83-liter 2-way opening fridge. There's plenty of counter space, overhead cupboards, and lower storage to keep everything tidy. Plus, the full wardrobe located over the Trimacombi space heater adds even more room for clothing or gear. Tech upgrades include a new digital control panel, pre-wiring for the Mach Smart app, flat, easy clean floors, and underbody protection. Optional features include an awning, upgraded heater, air conditioning, and a weight increase from 3,500 to 3,650 kilograms, allowing more cargo without compromising drivability. With a starting price of €62,599 and the unit displayed at shows listed at €66,613, around $74,500, the A60SP is an outstanding value. Comparable units from other brands can easily top €100,000. Compact, comfortable, and cleverly crafted, the 2025 Sun Living A60SP might just be the family RV that offers everything you need and nothing you don't. If you've been waiting for a true all-rounder that won't break the bank, this might be the best compact motorhome of the year.